So anyone ask the question. Suppose I'm searching for any business name. If sending to any business person in my particular mapping, we can select by your direction on your business. Direction on your business. So this will be easily sending for business purpose. Easily sending for your business purpose. We can create for one short name. We create for one short name that will be here. So any business you can select. The mapping is new update is for short name URL. That will be very important on your Google mapping. So that will be finished on your short name. Your profile finished by total 100%. Any one pending that is called not valid for your secured option in your Google mapping. And short name will be using only for the specific character will be mentioned on your continuity name. Not give any space for your using names. That will support by only 32 characters. This will be adding for your web design development Hyderabad. Web design development in Hyderabad. So I'll give this. Now how many characters? Click for apply. Always iPhone is the always can accept your particular URL. That is mean by each word will be separate on your account. So in this, what is showing for pending? It will showing for what is a pending. Now simple call. After just a few seconds, refresh your mapping. After few seconds, refresh your mapping. So here, what is showing in this? The page was created. Go to home page. Previous how much percent will be displayed? 85. Anyway showing for 85%. 85 anyway showing here. Now showing for anyway 85%. So where you can check for info. Select this is the option. This will be changed any times. Your short name can be changed by 3 times per year. 3 times per year. Suppose you're changing for multiple times, they not accepted. Only per year will be changing for 3 times. Please note down. This will be very important. The user can understand your particular services.